I completed this whole chapter, Razi. Okay, so I'll now ask you guys question, okay, about this mole concept. So, do you know anything about mole concept? Any rough idea?
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think yes, ma'am. We did it in the last assignment. Ma'am, we did like if there are two atoms of any element, we have to just like multiply that number with with their mass.
With the mass?
Yes, ma'am, with their mass. I think, ma'am, like in H2O, we have to like multiply like two atom, one atom of hydrogen, two atom of like oxygen, like that. I think.
Oh, okay. So I'll now. So what is a mole concept? It is just a. It is what? It is just a number, right? And what is like 1 dozen is what? Is nothing but 12. So what is 1 mole? 1 mole is six
One
point
more
zero
is
two.
6.022 into 10 power 23.
Yes, it's 23. So if let's take example of carbon atom. So in this carbon atom, we'll have three things, right? Proton, neutrons, and electron. And six protons, six not neutron, and six electron. Because it is carbon, na? So carbon is six. है ना? Carbon is having six, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here, and this 6.022 is also known as your Avogadro number, and the symbol of this is N and A. Na. Okay. So mass of proton and mass of neutron is equal every time. Mass of proton and mass of neutron is equal, but we will not consider mass of electron. Why? Because the mass of electron is very small. It's small as this, like 9.1 into 10 to the minus 27. It's very small. Okay. So we will not consider the mass of electron. Only we will consider these two masses, proton one and the neutron one. So here, if let's say I have to calculate the mass of this carbon atom. So how will I calculate? I will calculate 6 mass of proton and plus 6 mass of neutron. And I will not write mass of electron. Why? Because electron mass is very small. So here 6 into 2 is how much? 12. And mass of proton and mass of neutron is equal as the what is the mass of that? See, mass of proton and mass of neutron is this much, 6.1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27. So I will multiply this 12 with 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 gram, which will be 12 AMU. And what is AMU? AMU is your atomic mass unit. Okay, understood this part? That why we are not considering the mass of electron and why we are considering the mass of proton.
Yes.
And, okay. So let's take another example. I'm taking example of this oxygen. So oxygen is having 8 protons, 8 neutrons and 8 electrons. Okay. So it's asking 1 mole of oxygen atom. So here how to calculate this 1 mole of oxygen atom? What we will do, we will just simply add 8 mass of proton and 8 mass of neutron. And electron we will not consider. So 8 is here how many times? 2 times. So we will multiply 8 into 2, which will be 16. So 16 into this thing, it's asking 1 mole of oxygen atom. Now that's why we are multiplying this with that mass and even with the Avogadro number. Okay, then we'll get what? Then we'll get 16 G, which is also known as GAM. GAM means gram atomic mass. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And here, let's discuss some of the questions. I've already discussed all the questions. Nadham, many questions
Yes,
we discussed,
ma'am.
right?
You have.
Like many, 20, I guess, 20, 30, I don't remember. Also. Okay, so let's take this as a question. See, find the number of moles of oxygen atom.
Ma'am, one more. I can solve this.
I know you can solve any question. I don't know.
Us.
Okay, so find the number
Ma'am,
of.
is it O2?
It's O only. Only
Okay, so it's
oxygen.
16, 16,
Hmm.
13, something more.
So,
Yeah, it should be 4, right?
yes.
Is it?
What we
Yeah.
have to find, we have to find the number of moles of oxygen atom which is present in your 64 grams of oxygen. So how we will find? First, your 1 mole of oxygen atom is having how many gram? 16 gram, है ना, Razi? And your 16 gram is having nothing but 1 mole.
Yes, ma'am.
So in the 64 gram, we will have how many moles? 1 by 16 into 64. Then we'll get this 4 moles of oxygen atom. Razi, Shazan,
Yes, ma'am.
getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and Advika, are you there, Advika?
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah,
Ma'am, can you
hello.
hear me?
I, I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Got this part?
Ma'am, so I have a question, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I got it, ma'am. So we basically just have to, like, if it's given to us, we
Hmm.
basically just have to multiply it with like 1 by 16 in this case, right?
What?
Like 1 by 16 times 60, because, ma'am,
60.
in this question, ma'am, we basically have to multiply
Hmm.
the, like, this is basically, we have to basically use the formula that's given below, right?
Yes. Number of moles is equal to mass given upon molar mass.
Yes,
See,
ma'am.
here it's asking what? Here it's asking that you have to find number of moles of oxygen atom. Okay, we already know okay, 1 mole of oxygen atom is how much? It's 16.
16
O2 is
grams.
32, right? O2 is what? O2 is 32. But here only of oxygen atom it's asking. So we all know that 1 mole of O is 16. So
16
means
grams.
16 gram is
And
1 mole.
it's
And it's
saying for
asking
64
about
grams.
64.
So
Yeah.
it will be 64, sorry, the number of will be mass given, which is
Your mass.
64, and molar mass, which is 16. So after you do that, you get 4. So 4 moles of atom.
Okay, Advika, mass given and upon molar mass.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is the formula. Okay, now next question. Next question is what? Let me erase this first. Okay, next question is this. You have to find number of moles. Adam, you will not tell. You will not say, okay? Okay, so you have to find number of moles. Come on, find it. First one is for Shazan, second one is for Razi, and third one is for Advika. Do it fast. You have to find number of moles. See, this is the formula, okay? Shazan, Razi, and Advika.
Okay.
Come on, fast. Razi, this is for you, okay? The second part.
Okay, ma'am. What is that?
You have to find number of moles of this atom. 28 gram of an atom. This is the atomic mass which is given. Okay, this thing is given.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
number of mole, and this formula is also here. This one.
Okay, ma'am.
Second one is for you. 32 grams of S atom. No, Aram, no, Aram. No. Come on.
Ma'am, for the first one, the answer 7.
7. How come? Okay, for you it's 7. But how come 7?
No.
Just apply this formula, na? Mass given upon molar mass. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh.
100 was it?
100.
Ma'am, I said I'll do it once again.
Okay, good. And Razi, Advika, Aram,
Ma'am, I'm still
Don't-
doing it.
what?
I'm doing.
Okay.
Ma'am, for the second one, the number of moles is 1.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, it's 1.
Ma'am, and for the third one, ma'am,
Ma'am, for the
ma'am,
first
for
one,
the
is
third
it
one,
2?
is it 14?
Yes, it's 2. And third one is
Ma'am, for the third one, it's 14.
14.
14.
Aram,
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
14?
Yes.
Yes, correct. So simple, na? Mass given, this, your mass is already given 28, and your molar mass is also given. So 28 divided by 14, 14 2s are 28. 32 divided by 32, it's 1, and 14 divided by 1 is nothing but 14 only. Okay? Now, next one. Okay, so what is the next question? This one. Should I erase this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have to find 1 mole. Okay, let me write it. Question is, you have to find 1 molecule of N2. 1 molecule of N2. Adam, you will not. You are not supposed.
Ma'am, what of 1 molecule of N2?
1 molecule of N2.
What do we have to do with 1 molecule of N2?
You have to find
What?
1 molecule of N2.
For the mass.
Yes.
Oh.
And okay, now try. How much, Adam?
Ma'am, 28 AMU, I think.
Yes. What about rest?
What, ma'am?
Nothing. What about rest? Razi, Shazan, and Advik.
Oh.
What happened?
28 AM.
Yes, 28 AMU. Razi and Advika got this part. How 28 AMU is coming? What, Razi?
Nothing, ma'am. Solving.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is 28.
Yes, correct. Advika, done?
Ma'am, I'm just multiplying it. Ma'am, 1 second. Yes, ma'am, it's 28.
Okay. Now, next question. So, next question is you have to find molar mass. You have to find what? Molar mass. First is you have to find molar mass of N. Second, I have no. Second one is you have to find molar mass of N2. Third one is for for P, H2, oxygen, and O2. I'm writing the atomic mass, okay? Atomic mass is given. What is the atomic mass of N? Adham, what is the atomic mass of N?
Ma'am, atomic mass of N, 8, 7, 14.
S?
Sorry, ma'am, 6. No, yeah, 14.
S for sulfur?
For sulfur, is it 24?
32.
Oh,
Cesium is 16. Hydrogen is 1.
hydrogen is 1.
Is 31. Okay, so
31.
now let's find this. How to find the molar mass? What is the molar mass of N?
Ma'am, is it 14?
Yes, it is 40. For N2?
28.
Yes. For P?
31.
Yes. For H2?
2.
For oxygen?
16.
16 and for O2 it is 32.
32.
Yes, correct. Got it? Shazan and Advika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll switch to the next question. Okay. Got it now? Advika, any doubt? Shazan, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next question.
No, ma'am.
What is the next question? Next question is you have to find number of moles of O2 molecule in 64 gram of O2 gas. I'm writing the formula, okay? That number of moles is what? What is the formula? Number of moles is equal to?
Number of moles was given mass divided by molar mass.
Mass given by molar mass.
Yes. So now find this. Find moles. Adham. Yeah.
Ma'am, can I tell? It will be 6.022 into 10 power 23.
No.
Oh, sorry, 64 grams of mass. 64,
It's
32,
okay.
32 divided by 64 is 0.5. Wait, yeah. No, wait, wait, 64 divided by 32.
No, you are not supposed to.
2.
Yes. Okay. Let's wait for others. Let's see how to solve this question. What is your mass given? Mass is
Ma'am, mass is 64.
And what is the molar mass of O2?
Ma'am, for O it is 16 and for O2 it is 32.
So 32, 64 divided by 32, it's what?
Yes, ma'am.
2, 2.
2 moles, right? Understood? Okay. Next
Yes, ma'am.
question. What is the next question? All the questions which I have discussed is here. Okay, you can see. This was there, no? 2 moles. Now, what is the next question? Next question is, you have to find in 98 gram of H2SO4. First subpart of this question is you have to find first moles of H2SO4 molecule. Second one is you have to find moles of S atom, sulfur atom. Third one is number of S atom. Fourth is moles of H atom. Fifth is gram atom of hydrogen, gram atom of H. Sixth is mass of S atom. And the last one is moles of O atom. O atom, okay? And what is H? H is 1, S is 32, and O is 60. Okay. So now you have to find all these up. Come on. Okay, first let me divide the section. These two section is for Advika. This two is for Shazan. This two is for Razi. And this one is for Ad. Okay. Now do it.
Ma'am, for the second part of the question, ma'am, what is that? Ma'am, moles of
Moles
the
S
sulfur part,
atom.
right?
What?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Moles of S atom.
Ma'am, for the fifth one is the answer 2.
Yes, 2 moles. Correct.
And for
And four.
sixth one, ma'am, for sixth one is 32.
Yes, 32.
Ma'am, it's 4, I think.
Yes, 4 moles. Good.
Ma'am, for the first question, ma'am, is the answer 2?
No.
Ma'am,
2 is not the correct answer.
ma'am, how?
See, for the
Ma'am,
first,
for finding the moles per mole, you have to divide the total mass by the total number of atoms, and since the total number of atoms is 49 and the total mass is 98, the answer will be 2.
see, mass given upon molar mass. Okay? Mass given upon molar mass, and your mass
Yes, ma'am.
is 98. And if you will calculate this H2SO4, it will be 98 only. See, Your H is 1. 1 into 2 plus 32. 16 into 4 is 64. So this will become how much? Add this.
Oh, ma'am, it's 98.
Hmm?
Ma'am, it's 98.
It's 98. So it will be how much? 98, 98 cancel. 1 mole. 1, okay? Mass given. Your mass
Okay,
is
yes, ma'am.
98 and you have to find molar mass. So molar mass of H2SO4 is 98. And for the second one?
Ma'am, it will be 98 by 42.
No, it's it's atom. It's atom. Adam, what is the answer of the second one?
Ma'am, 4.
4. How come 4? It's asking moles of
Sorry,
S.
one.
Yes, 1.
Sorry, for O.
See, Advika, see. Here, it's saying you have to find moles of S atom. It means in one molecule, sulfur is having how many atoms? 1 atom. In one molecule, sulfur is having how many atoms? 1 atom. So, in 1 mole of
One.
S, there will be how many? There will be only 1 mole of S atom, no?
Ma'am, one.
1.
One.
Yes, so it will
Yes,
be.
ma'am.
And Shazan, third and fourth? For the third one?
What, ma'am?
What is the answer of third one? Third and fourth.
Not for the fourth one, it is 2.
It is 2. And for the third one, it is
And 3.
3.
No, wait, it's 6.022 into 10 to the power 23.
Yes, 6.022 into 10 atoms. Good. Okay, so clear now? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, next question. Next question is, see, for 1 mole of any ideal gas at STP, your value is for 1 mole.
Ma'am, was it 24.4 or 22.4 or something?
2.4, yes. For 1 mole of any ideal gas
At STP,
at STP, it occupies how much?
like 122.4.
Okay, so now let me give you, this is the theory. Okay, now let me give you one question. You have to find volume, V or L for volume occupied by 3 moles of CO2 at ST. So here you have to find the molecule. Sorry, volume occupied by 3 moles of CO2 at STP. For 1 mole is this much. Okay, now for 3 mole it's asking. So it's easy. Come on.
Can I tell?
7.3.
Huh?
I think he said 67.3.
Yes, that's what I said, ma'am. 67.3.
67.3.
3.
Okay, 3. How come this 67.3? Tell me.
Ma'am, 22 is there. And 22.4 into 3 is.
67.2 now.
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, is it 67.26?
Yes. Okay. Okay, she left.
I had the same answer.
Huh? Next question. You have to find number of H atoms which is present in 11.2 of H2 gas. Okay, what you have to find? You have to find number of H atoms present in this much gas. Arham, don't tell, okay?
Okay.
You have to find number of H atom which is present in this much of H2 gas.
Ma'am, 2 moles.
2 moles? How come 2 moles?
Will you calculate?
Huh?
Now we will use that formula.
Which formula?
Ma'am, is it 6?
No. Okay, wait. First, let me write the formula.
22.
Formula is for what?
And nothing, you write the formula.
Volume of 1 molar volume.
Is that 22.4 divided by like 2? Ma'am, we'll divide like 22.4 divided by 11.2. So we'll get the answer as 2 moles.
No, you will divide 11.2 upon 22.
No, ma'am, 22.4 upon 11.2.
Yes,
No,
ma'am. Otherwise, it'll become fractional.
That's why, ma'am.
it will be this will be 0.5 now.
Yes, ma'am. This will be 0.5.
So see, your volume is given now, it's 11.2. And what is your molar volume? Molar volume is this 22.4.
Oh, okay.
So this will be this much moles of H2 gas. This much mole of H2 gas. And what is the 1 mole of H atom? What is the 1 mole of H atom? 1 mole. 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This much atom of H. This part you got it or not? Volume by molar volume. Molar volume is 22.4. Volume is given 11.2. Just divide it. Okay? Shazan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay. Razi? One more similar question. You have to find the volume of 8 grams of of O2 gas. Now find the volume of this much of O2. No, I will not write this first. This question contains two formulas, so then you guys will get confused. Okay. First you can find number of mole. Okay, number of mole from that formula. Mass by molar mass, and then apply this one. First find number of moles from that formula. Mass by molar mass, mm, and then you will get one mole. Number of mole. Then use this formula and find volume. Okay. Let's say 2. So if you will use this
Yes, ma'am.
formula,
Number
then
of moles is 2.
no, it's not 2.
Ma'am, what is the molar mass of O2?
32.
Okay.
Ma'am, shouldn't it be 0.5?
0.25.
Oh, 0.25.
8 upon 32 is 0.25.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
0.25. This one.
So you got your number of mole. Now you can easily find the volume. No, come on, it's very easy.
Volume is 44.8.
What?
Volume is like, oh no, it's 0.2. Ma'am, it's 5.6. Yeah.
Correct. It's 5.6. So number of mole is what? 0.25 is equal to volume. Let's say we are taking x upon 22.4. So if you cross multiplies that, then you will get 5.6. Okay? Arham?
yes, ma'am.
Razi, you got this part? That how to find the
Yes.
volume of this? First
Yes,
simple
ma'am.
formula, mass by molar mass, then you will get number of number of mole. Volume is x, then simply you can multiply and then you will get number of volume. Okay. One more question. Find the volume occupied by 128 gram of SO2 gas.
Ma'am, what is atomic mass of S and what is atomic mass of O?
Huh?
Atomic mass for S, is it like
2.
32?
O is 16.
No, I'm saying for S.
32.
Okay, so 32 plus. Okay, got it.
Ma'am, the number of moles is 2.
Yes. Number of moles is 2. How
Yes,
come?
ma'am, number of moles is 2 because 32 plus 32, 64. So,
2 moles. Now you have to find volume. So how to find volume? One mole is how much?
ma'am, can I?
22 points. Yeah.
Ma'am, it's 44.8.
44.8.
144.8.
So 2 into 22.4, which is 44.8. Good. So getting it now, all the questions of mole concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. More questions?
Yes.
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 Okay. So let's even find number. This also done. Exam done. Okay. Find number of moles of O3 gas present in 5.6 cube of O3 gas at STP. I'll write the formula. Number of moles upon volume by molar volume. Okay. Now you have
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, Razi.
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, Razi, your voice is not audible. Maybe some network issue.
Ma'am, it will be my 5.6 divided by 22 by 4, 22.4, which is equal to 0.25.
Yes, correct. Moles of O3 mole. Okay. Razi, you got this? Adam, you got.
Yes, ma'am, I got the same.
Okay. Razi, are you there?
yes, ma'am.
So you got this part. How come 5.6 upon 20.4?
Ma'am, that's what I was asking. I was asking that what you have written after gas present in.
At STP.
Okay. No, ma'am, what's the number? Ma'am, it's 5 point what?
6.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you will divide, your volume is given and molar volume is that 22.4. So we'll divide simply. Now, so all the questions done. No? See, this question is done.
No.
What?
Ma'am, when will we start the next chapter?
When we will start the next chapter? Next, this coming Saturday, you will have a test of this chapter. Okay. And then And after that, we'll start SOA, structure of atom. Okay, this coming Saturday, you will have test.
Yay.
Okay? Okay. So, any doubt in this chapter, ANM?
No,
Dalton's
ma'am.
atomic law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion. Clear? Everything is clear, no doubt. Arham, any doubt? What is law of conservation of mass, Arham?
Ma'am, law of conservation of mass, it was that like law of conservation of mass, it was like
Ma'am, the of
in a
reactor
chemical
reactants is
reaction,
equal
the
to
same like how much mass you put in, that much mass you'll get out. It more mass won't be created.
Okay. Yes, Razi?
ma'am, then the number of reactants is equals to number of products.
Yes.
Mass of reactants.
Yes, ma'am. Mass.
Mass can either be created or not be destroyed in a chemical reaction. है ना? If in this beaker there's 5H and 5 chlorine, any, let's say, any what? Any chemical reaction is taking place inside this beaker. So what will happen? The product of this beaker will be 5 hydrogen only. है ना? It's not like you will get from 5 to 10 or 5 to 1. No, the mass will be same. Okay? Okay. And what is law of constant proportion? This is law of constant. That in a chemical
In like chemical reaction, if the substance like the element is always present in a definite proportion by mass.
yes, like H2O, here 2 atom of hydrogen, and for oxygen it's 1 atom of hydrogen. So 1 atom of oxygen.
Oxygen.
Oh yeah, 1 atom of oxygen. So this will become what? Whole 1 molecule of water. Okay, then be prepared for the test. Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.